Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Shylock official teaser.
Yes, so we have Mammootty sir here.
Yes.
Okay, and
So
this is the first
a great
time.
talented actor.
Yeah, he is senior actor.
Yes,
Okay.
right. On his after giving our
Mashup.
reaction on his birthday mashup, we decided to give some more teaser or scene or song reaction on Mammootty sir.
And we got a lot of requests also
Yes,
for this
of course.
Shylock. Okay, so we immediately wrote in the pending list that we have to cover that.
Yeah.
So yes, here it is for you guys. I'm very much excited because Mammootty, now only we can see his acting skill and everything in some glimpses.
Yes.
But yes. So let's get started. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
Chalo, let's get started. The name itself is very heavy. Shylock.
Shylock.
Megastar.
Megastar.
Wow.
Boss.
Rolls Royce.
2020.
Once upon a time, there was a Kallan and a police. Bhavane, kola gandle irukku. Kollama vida maate. എനിക്കിനി മലയാള ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി കിടന്ന് പൊളയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ ബോസ്?
Wow. He executed so well.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay.
Wow.
So yeah, picturization.
Picturization क्या था?
It looked like some Hollywood.
Hollywood
kind.
touch. And Mammootty sir?
Yes, I think he's playing a
Wow,
role of
gangster.
some gangster. You can say, yeah,
gangster.
look like that only.
Yes.
and
He has
yes.
a pura whole world in his hand and he talk less and talk with guns only mostly.
Guns and action, not
Guns
that
and
much
action.
guns with his hands and legs.
He told no that I'm in the mood to kill now. I won't spare you. So wow, he was looking dashing.
Yes.
Okay, that is the appropriate word. Dashing, amazing, handsome hunk at this age also. He was looking that the spec and everything. He the black shirt.
His expression
his
was, you
height.
can say, yeah, it was superb.
Superb.
And I think this movie didn't got released.
Oh,
It
is
was about to release in 2020,
2020,
but I'm not sure.
Okay, we are
Maybe,
not sure. Yes.
yes.
If that is got released or not, we are not sure. Just let us know. And yes, like it was fully the action kind of movie, not family drama or emotion, love sequences. It was not there.
Yes,
I
with
think.
teaser we
Only-
didn't get that much.
Only
But
the
maybe
gangster.
there might be some emotion will be there
Maybe.
because if he is a gangster, then there will be some story, emotional story behind that scene. Yes.
Correct. So that can be happened.
Yeah.
But other than that, like his get up, his gesture, his appearance,
Yes.
everything was like amazing. It was
Right.
on point. Like his energy, when he was
Energetic
coming and he was looking very positive at the same time and not good personality also at the same time. He was looking like he is the boss. He is the king of the whole thing, of the whole
But
place.
if you see
He was
in a
looking
real
like that.
kind of gangster, if he
Yeah.
has so much of the power, he will be not that much active.
Active, yes. Here also that was like that only, right?
No, he was too much active.
No, active means he is not killing and he is not fighting. He is just telling.
He was fighting, right? But in the real kind of scenario, if you see gangster who is having so much of the power, they are not that much fit. How much he is looking here?
He was looking very fit
Yes.
and handsome hunk. Okay, so if this kind of gangster will be there, in front of me, I will tell and I will just go and say, just give me an autograph first, and then I will tell afterwards. Okay, so this is the thing. He was looking very handsome hunk.
His age is above 60, right? Or
I'm
50?
not sure. We are not sure.
Okay.
54 or 60, in between that only.
Yeah.
But he was looking very fit and very active.
That's
Okay?
true. At this age also,
At this
maintaining
age
his
also.
physics that much.
His
is-
expression,
Yeah, super.
we cannot forget about his expression.
Yeah.
His eye, he was just like doing this
his
thing.
eye and his smile. And the
My
way
gosh.
of the way he speaks, that was also marvelous.
Amazing.
It's
And-
powerful speech, you can say. He can become a politician also. He
Politician.
can give a powerful speech
Yes,
as
yes.
well.
So this teaser only, it is very small. We couldn't see that much of acting and everything of Mammootty sir.
Yes.
So we have
So
to do.
as per teaser, it was good.
It was good,
Yes.
but we have to do a reaction video on some movie clips of Mammootty sir. Then only we can get to know him
Yeah,
better,
right.
right? But as per the teaser and trailer, what you call it, it is like superb, 10 on 10. Okay, because we enjoyed it a lot, and it is a gangster kind of movie.
Yes, of course.
What
So
we understood.
we expect a lot of action scenes.
Lot of action sequences and scenes, and
Yes.
every scenes like were executed so well. It was like well synced with each other.
Yes,
Right.
that's true.
From the point when he was coming with the full of style and everything, with the black shirt on and some jewelry is there, he was looking very good, man. And
He
after
came
that,
with
he was
that,
just
big car, Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce, and he was just getting down from the car. Like, I will go and I will just ask for the autograph if this kind of situation is
Now
happening
you
in front
don't,
of my
you don't
eye.
need to ask autograph. You need selfies.
Selfies, and people will not allow me also. Okay, so that is the thing.
Yes.
But yes, we are very happy today, and we really enjoyed this
Yeah.
scene. Thank you to each and everyone who have suggested to give a reaction on this particularly Shylock movie.
Yeah.
So this is seeming like very exciting, right?
Yes.
So yes, now let's get started with the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Vaisak R, and he is commenting on Marakar official trailer reaction. He is saying that this is the only 100 crore budget movie. If it is made in Telugu or Hindi, it will cost almost 250 plus crore, and that's the difference in Malayalam movies, quality content with less budget.
Oh, is it? Okay,
Yeah.
That's good.
So,
yeah.
that's good. But 100
if they
crore, of
maintain
course-
this thing, then it is good.
Yeah,
Like
but,
more than 150 crore का कम है, मतलब
Yes,
less
you
than.
can say. But
Yeah.
yes, 100 crore, that budget is also not less.
No, 100 crore is a for good movie. It is a standard budget, you can
Yeah.
say. But sometimes it's crossed beyond 300 crore, 400
it
crore. That
happens.
is actually extreme.
Yes.
It happens actually. In Bollywood also it happens. I think in Malayalam also it happens, but not that much. Okay, we don't know much about that. But yes, definitely, because they have hired so much good technician, so much graphics teams. Technical team was like
of course,
cost them more.
100 crore budget movie is superb.
Superb.
If they maintain
वो movie था
that
ना?
budget, which one?
Bahubali? वो भी तो
Bahubali
था.
was it was around 250 plus.
250, 300 crore, I think.
Yes, like that only.
Because you can see now so much graphics was they have
Mostly
utilized.
graphics works takes a lot.
Text, that is the main increased part of the budget. So yes, Vaishak, that is cool actually. That is very good, and thank you so much for this informative content.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our videos. So the second comment for today's video is from Abdul Khayyum, and he's commenting on TikTok sensational dancer Arman Rathod wala video.
Yes.
And he's commenting effortless dance.
That will be effortless dance.
Effortless
Yes.
dance, we need to appreciate this man. All the best for his future.
Yeah, of course.
Definitely.
We
He
appreciate
is a
him a
very good
lot,
dancer.
and he's really a great dancer.
Yes, we are hoping
we
that
have seen some more moves of this guy.
we are hoping that he will get a good chance in some of the film industry.
Right.
Okay, if some producer or director or actors are watching our videos, please, we are requesting to give him a chance.
Yes.
Okay, he has TikTok IDs and everything. You can
Right.
go and check that, and
And you
also
can
some
connect
of
with him
some of the newspaper also have
Yes.
published his news and everything. He is a sensation now.
Yes, now it's very
He's-
easy to get his contact.
He is
also.
going viral now, so it is very easy to get the
Yeah.
contact. So thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our videos.
So the third and the last comment for today is from Akash Line. He is saying that after reacting trailers and seeing you saying we will watch the full movie and give our reaction review, still that
means-
video are not come.
That
means you still not watched those movies. Yes, that's happened sometimes, but yes, we
Yeah.
are giving our reaction each and every day, 2 or 3 videos. So it's not possible for us to watch each and every movie daily.
And for your
Yes.
kind information, we both are IT professional, so we
Yes.
have to work till 12 hours.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right
even
now,
though
work
we are
from home
working
is
from
there,
home, but
we have to
still
give a lot time to our work also,
Work
primary
also.
job also.
Yes, so that is a primary job for us. So in this Saturday Sundays also we
Yes.
have watched 7 Om Arivu. Then
Yeah.
we have watched 24. Then we have watched Theri. So a lot of movies we have watched,
Yes.
but we have to search for the movies also. We are preferring to watch it in the Hindi dubbed, not in the subtitle. Okay, so there are a lot of things, lot of conditions are going on, and also after seeing movie we cannot straight away
Right,
sit
we have
here
to
and
prepare our own
tell. We have
script as
to
well.
prepare a script actually. We have to prepare the video also. That
Generally,
we
we
have
don't
to.
prepare any script for
Yeah, but
any
for this
trailer
thing,
and all.
explanation
but
we have
yes,
to do.
for a movie full reaction
Explanation,
or full review, if you say we have to prepare some script, we have to write a lot of the contents. We have to
Contents
cover
we have to write.
cover the main at least main part. Then
Ah.
if we don't cover, you guys will tell you have missed this
Yeah,
part.
miss this, miss that part.
Yeah, so-
And also we have to
yes.
take the screenshot of the main scene which we have to cover.
Right.
And after saying that, we have to attach that screenshot. So there is a lot of task.
Yeah.
Okay, soon you will see that for sure. But yes, definitely this is
Yes.
on the way. Okay, so please bear with us. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a regular basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the
Yes.
like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.